Hi team, just going to give you a quick demonstration here on how to couple and decouple the 5 and 6 gang decoupler switch. A bit different to the 1 to 4 gang. So we've got one of them here, so we'll show you on the 5 gang, 6 gang exactly the same. So we'll just open the switch in the Smart Life app. At the moment you can see if we go all on, we get the 5 lights on, go all off, all the 5 lights will go off. Same here. So the lights, switches are just powered to lights like a normal switch. To decouple one, so we'll just decouple the center one. Note this light here comes on when it's on, and switch number 3 here. So we go to setting and go to indicator status, go down here to decouple setting, confirm, now we double tap the switch you want to decouple, like that. Just wait a minute, you see the light has come on, but the switch is off. Now we go back into our decouple setting, select indicator on, confirm, and that's it. So now the switch is decoupled. So when you turn it on or turn it off, it doesn't alter the power to the light. So now what you need to do is set up an automation in your Smart Life app or Home Assistant if you're using that. And you need to create a little automation that basically says that when this light is turned on, your light goes on, and when this light switch is turned off, your smart light goes off. It doesn't alter the power to your light. Hope that's clear enough. And to recouple the switch, it's just a reverse process. So you just go into indicator status, decouple setting, confirm, double tap the switch that you want to decouple. It is now decoupled. Go back to your decoupler setting, set indicator on, confirm, and now it acts just like a normal light switch. Very simple, yet very powerful.